Nipsey. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We've got my nephew's WRX outside, and he's got a few things. He wants to wrap the roof, satin black from Avery. He wants to do the headlights. We did that, what, like 2 years ago now? We wrapped his headlights in this like yellow film. It didn't turn out too well. We didn't know what we were doing at all. We also did a video with his Invidia N1 exhaust. I think it's a catback, right, Damion? Yeah, it's a catback. Well, he just got an Invidia Downpipe. Is there any like model name for that? It's a Catless Downpipe. Divorced mount, Catless Downpipe. I don't know anything about Subarus. There you go. All right.
Well, you take that.
That took 30 seconds. So pull this up. I'm not doing that. You know, this is your car. You do that part. Do you have any towels? Is this cooled down yet? Oh, ooh, no, okay. Are you gonna clay bar it?
We don't have clay bar.
We should?
No, we don't.
I'll go look. I couldn't find a clay bar, but this is good enough, right?
No, it's tire shop.
So the idea isn't to just clean it. What you need to do is make sure that you got plenty of soap or some type of solvent to make sure that you're getting rid of anything that might have oil or anything that would keep the wrap from sticking. That's the main idea. Right, Nipsey?
Gonna trigger the internet.
Need the squeegees.
I got some of those as well.
Did you have felt?
Yes, they do.
And pull hard. Pull!
I am.
Harder.
Pull harder. This
Now
is
drop it.
Pull harder.
Okay? Just like that. Infinity. Oh, that. What?
He was like the way you said it.
he was really
Infinity?
happy. Did you see
Yeah.
me smiling? Follow me on YouTube. Subscribe.
Yup, sounds like a BQ.
Yeah.
You see how there's this breakup right here? I was thinking saving it.
All right, guys. There it is. I hit it with a heat gun, so all those scratches that the felt was making on there, they're all gone now. It's nice and pretty. It'd actually be pretty good. The whole entire car. Satin black. Everything in here. Remember how we took the antenna out here? So now that's underneath, and we just cut a hole through there. Got the sunroof over here. That could be a little bit cleaner on that side. But you see here, wrapped it around and underneath. Good. Not too shabby. Let me see. You dropped it?
Can you jack the car up?
Car's up in the air now. We're about to put the Invidia downpipe on. Pull this out of the box. There she is. All pretty. With these two holes. I have no idea why it has two holes. But we're gonna figure it out.
Don't do that.
Yeah, I can get it from here. Oh.
From underneath here.
God damn it. I'm gonna put the camera down. All right, so we didn't finish the downpipe yesterday. We ended up ordering a pizza and then we got lazy. We're gonna finish that now. He's over there. He's about to WD-40 some stuff. Is it still hot?
I just pulled up.
WD-40 it anyway. It'll be fine. It'll be fine.
Does that work?
Yeah.
Fucking MacGyver. Just so they see what you just used. That's great.
All right, guys. So just in case you didn't see that, if you do not have a breaker bar, which we do not because somehow it has disappeared over the years, I have no idea where it's at now. So in the meantime, we've been like MacGyvering things to work instead of spending money on the proper tools that we need. So what I do is when I have something where I need a lot more torque for a bolt, which I definitely did for one of the ones on the downpipe there, have a regular, obviously this is not a normal wrench, this is a torque wrench, okay, for foot-pounds, which you don't want to use, but this one's broken anyway and it's way out of whack, so I use it as kind of like a torque wrench anyway. So I go ahead, and if I need more pull, I take a large, giant socket and I put it, okay, on some 1/2-inch extensions, and I do that. Now look how I literally doubled the length, more than doubled the length of this, more torque, got it done. The channel name is Unorthodox Garage, so this is something that you should expect by now. We've done like 50 videos of tools, using tools in a way that we shouldn't be, but we still get this stuff done. So I don't want to hear it. It's even in the channel name, Unorthodox Garage. All right, guys, so on here, on the downpipe, there's a bracket up there, okay? And then there's another bracket right here we left the bolt in. And then there's 2 more bolts right here. Bang, bang, before it gets to his Invidia catback. Let me see those bolts. So you can see one is right here and it's broken. We sprayed these twice over yesterday and today with WD-40. So I don't know what they're making. These are from the Invidia set, right? Mm-hmm. They're making these bolts with, but they are not everlasting because both of them just snapped off.
Well, at least we know it didn't snap off.
And they are rusting to shit. What?
At least it didn't snap off while I was driving.
Yeah.
So.
I mean, I doubt it would have done that because they were hard enough to get out. But you see there how lopsided that right-hand side is. But yeah, so all that's left is we're just going to wiggle that out. But this is what's holding it on. We disconnected the the oxygen sensor, which is right there. It still has a tool on it. Comes around here, and then it connects right here. This is the connector. So just unplug this. And then there's one more clip, right? There's a clip on this side a little bit further up there. Take that out. And then this whole entire thing drops. No, you already took the clip out. I'm just talking about the original clip. The whole entire thing drops out. We take the old O2 sensor, put it into the new downpipe, and then we put this thing back up. And she's loose. All right. Grab this top part, and bam. Make sure the O2 sensor socket doesn't get caught anywhere. There we go. There you go, man.
For sale, $650.
She's a B8.
It's a wild snake.
Back up. It's got to weigh like 20 pounds, and it's sitting on the end of my arm. It's just a little bit of weight compared to the other one.
You see how this is blocked off?
Yeah, this one's blocked off.
Yeah.
Versus how that one's open up here. Get them side by side. So this one is blocked off.
And you can tell it's just been sitting.
Oh, it's so nice and soft, Damion. It's sooty. And then this one, I don't know why. What goes there?
There is an internal wastegate inside, from what I've read.
Okay.
Because there's this one, and then you can buy another one that's like this, that's blocked off as well. And then you can buy a bell mouth. A bell mouth is fully open. This one is a divorced. I'm sorry, it's the same fucking spot. I mean, we're about to find out though.
Okay.
It should make more noise.
Hopefully.
More fun.
All right. That's nice. Okay, let's get to it. All right, so we got... I forget what the hell that's called.
O2 sensor.
Yeah, we got the O2 sensor. Plugged up that hole up there. That's nice and tight. We got some new bolts. Got a new gasket because the old one was complete crap. What is... Wait, what? I wasn't paying you any mind, but I think I heard... Okay, whatever. Let's just go. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in, button everything up. I'll show you guys when it's up there. All right, so it's all put in. Invidia downpipe to the Invidia catback. Everything went smoothly as far as putting it back. There's one less bracket on here. We're not gonna put the heat shield back because Damion just actually ordered a Cobb tuning heat shield. The Factory one's ugly. So, and we don't.
It's a pain in the ass.
Yeah, and it's a pain in the ass to, you know, put back on there. So he just went ahead and bought a new one. So that'll be here in a few days. It'll be fine like this, especially because it's cold. But normally during the summer, the turbo right here will heat soak the intercooler, and there'll be a lack of power. But that's like, I don't know. It's not even like a real issue. And, you know, you just have to drive until it cools down. But this is done. We're gonna clean up the rest of these tools, and then we're gonna start it up. You don't see? You what?
Going for a drive.
Yeah, you wanna go for a drive? Let me drive next to you?
That or you drive in the car.
Okay. Huh?
So we get milkshakes.
Milkshakes? From where?
There's a Shake Shack.
How far?
It's in Cherry Hill.
Oh, in Cherry Hill?
On Haddonfield Road. They do burgers.
You wanna go to Shake Shack?
Do you want to?
I do.
I don't want to go by myself. That's why I'm asking.
All right, yeah, let's go. All right, so ready? Is it cold? It's probably about like 47, 50 degrees outside right now. That wasn't good. Don't forget the car's in gear. All right, well, it's definitely a little louder. I'm sure under load, it'll be a completely different story. We gotta think we messed with sensors. I stuck that rag on the exhaust side of the turbo. It is definitely a little louder.
Oh, I'm expecting it to be louder.
Would you get up to 2 right there?
Not even. Some of that. Oh, I didn't know you were filming.
Huh?
I didn't know you were filming. You can wait. I can go on to 130. Well, like, so if you want.
Yeah, that's. I want to see it. I hope it does something. Remember, you're gonna want to like give it gas and then let go. That way, the unspent gas goes through and pop, pop.
I don't want to do that. I was just gonna rev it, and I was like, oh wait, my mom's sleeping.
Yeah.
I'm still on the block. Definitely more noise up here.
I didn't hear any snap, crackles, and pops, man. Yeah. Oh! It happened! Oh! All right, slow down, stop. There's cops over here. Yeah, I hear it. I can actually feel it. We're gonna have to get like at night. I wonder if you can shoot flames, do you think?
Nah. I
Nah?
don't think we're there yet. I think that's gonna be with the up pipe.
I don't. If you,
I think with the headers in the up pipe and then air filters.
you still have a catalytic converter.
Yeah. Because that up pipe.
Because there's two. Okay.
I have to get rid of that up pipe, which I'm gonna buy this month.
Okay. And then that'll happen.
Then it will help.
Well, somebody commented on one of my videos. Remember how we made the Accord shoot flames?
Mm-hmm.
Somebody commented on one of my videos, the same car, that their car with the catalytic converter could shoot flames.
That just sounds bad.
It sounds bad. It also doesn't
like
sound very
right.
believable because the K24 isn't a very high output motor to begin with, like at all.
Or like a fucking F.
Yeah. But I don't know. Anything's possible. All right, residential area. Okay, let's not. Holy shit. Okay. You know what sucks about the Porsches? I don't fit in them. It sucks.
It's the S2000 syndrome.
Yeah, it's the S2000. I don't fit in S2000 either.
I wanted it so bad, couldn't fit.
I was so excited when I finally got to drive that car, and I couldn't even get my knees past the dash. I'd always wanted one my whole entire life. I was like, oh my god, the S2000. I'm too big. Way too big. It's a shame. That is a little person car.
I'm gonna get some knee surgery.
Alright guys, so this is where we're gonna end the video. It does pop, only under a lot of load and in between gear shifts.
What are you filming?
Them.
Why?
Because they're on our block.